I'm Neil Lewis, and I run a company called Modo, and we run business accelerators for startups. Idea Alive is the name of our accelerator. And I met Carlos at one of the events that we ran, Enterprise Freelance Fair, because we're very interested in working with outsourced staff, freelancers, and that obviously links back in with what Carlos is doing in growing his business, but also in terms of cloud, because the whole point of cloud is it enables a much more kind of loosely connected group of people to work together and to collaborate, but have the benefit as if they were together, but in fact they're in different places. By placing the data in a common location, it's common to everybody, and everybody can access it from any device or through any window at any point in time. And then that allows you, or allows businesses and people to transform the way they work, where they work, how they work, who they work with, and then allows them to transform the shape of the relationships that they have, not so much with, say, staff, but actually with collaborators. And I think the whole way of working is shifting, and cloud computing effectively enables that and supports it. Well, I think Shaping Cloud is driving forward the kind of corporate acceptance of cloud, and that just makes the whole concept of cloud more attractive. And I think in a way, in large businesses embracing cloud, it kind of breaks part of the control or that desire for it to all be within certain, kind of walled gardens, the old AOL concept of internet. And I think that's very interesting, because it means collaborating and working with large organizations will get easier for smaller or fast growth or high growth businesses. I think equally what Carlos is doing with the concept of, developing a spinner application or business development or accelerator is very interesting, because again what he's trying to do is trying to tackle the fact that there are lots of ideas that don't get commercialized, and is there a different relationship that different parties can form. And I think he's striking at the right thing in terms of trying to say, well look, there's a certain amount for development, but also there's the idea.